Hey everybody, the weekend's here, and that's right, you know what time it is. It is open house time. You can meet Ashley Oliver here Sunday 1 to 3 at 726 Indian Park Drive. You can meet Brent Long here Sunday from 1 to 3. You can meet Stevie Z here Sunday at Barfield Downs, Sunday from 1 to 3. You can meet Ben Schwartz here Sunday from 1 to 3. Heather here at 629 Baton Rouge in Hermitage, Sunday. I'll be here Sunday at 723 Orange Blossom from 2 to 4. If you have any questions about this property or any of our other great properties, feel free to give me a call. Cousin Charlie, 615-895-7677.